All of you, good morning. Today I will discussion about the second tab inside tab. In the previous classes, it is the uh, types of the or different types of the charts. And today it is text group. In this, commands are text box, header and footer, signature line, object, symbols. These are the already discussion about in the previous third sem, text box, header and footer, signature line, object and symbols. Then today next one, it is one tab, review tab. Then in this review tab, then three groups. First one is proofing, second one is comments group, and third one is change group. In proofing groups, that is one, there are four commands. There are four commands like spelling and grammar, research, tasers and translate. Then it is also discussion in the third sem, spelling and grammar, that it is the find out the spelling and grammar mistake, research, tasers and translate. The next one is in second comment group is that is a comments group. In this seven groups, then first one is new. New means it is used to insert the new comment at current active cell. Then you can inserting of the comments line, or that is the box line of the your importance in you can shape of the in a bubble shape, that is the you can in bubble shape, and in this enter the text, it is the new one. It is used to insert the new comment at current active cell, means then you can entering up the or working up the worksheet or working up the excel spreadsheet, that is the enter the new one or new comment line. Next one, B1, delete. This command is used to delete the selected comment. Then you can delete the select comment 1 or all comment present in the document or worksheet. Then you can showing on the, or you can entering on the, or you can watching on the in worksheet or documents in any places. Then you can delete it. That is the delete button. You can go to comments group. Next one, C1, previous. It is used to change the previous comments. Then before you can entering up the new comment, you can go to next comments line, that is the, or sorry, next before comments line, that is the previous. It is used to change the previous comments. One time you can entering up the in comment box previous as, then it is the change options, it is the previous. The next one is fourth one, D1 options. Next, the next command is used to navigation from one comment to another. Then it is the movement of the one place to another place, or one place one comment to next other comment line, you can go it, that is the next. That is the next command is used to navigation from one comment to another comment, or one place to another place, then it is the go to comments line, then it is one you can use it. Next one, show or hide. It is fifth one, or E1. It is used to show or hide inserted comments on worksheet. Then you can enter the one of the comments, then it is the BCom third or fourth sem students, then it is the result sheet, that is hide it in comment line, then it is show or hide. It is used to show or hide inserted comment on a worksheet. The next one, show all comments. Then you can entering of the all comments, then it is the new, previous, next, show, then is all the showing it, it is the show all comments. This command is used to show all hidden comments of the show it. Then next one, it is show link, that is the show link, then it is one seventh one. Show, it is used to show all it is used to show or hide any link annotations present on the worksheet. It is used to the linking of the it is the ink of the showing of the link emotions present on the worksheet. These are the options are in comments group. The next one is change group. Then it is one change group, it is one third one in review tab. It is a change group. There are 6 commands in change group. Then in this 6 commands, first one is protect sheet. It is used to protect the locked cells. Then you can entering up the in first cell students roll number or student's number, name of the students or subject, then it is the example. Then you can lock it. It is the cell, only cell. It is the lock it. It is the protect sheet. It is used to protect locked cells. It is one used. Then second one, B1 is used to protect workbook. It can be used to protect the whole workbook. It is protect the whole workbook including its worksheet. Then it is the protect of the including your worksheet. Then you can present working of the worksheet. You can enter the data, that is protect it all in workbook, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, or then you can use to the present in working sheet. Then it is the sheet 1, that is you can other persons in this other data is not enter the in this cell. Then it is the protect workbook. The next one is C1, share workbook. Then we can make more than one person work on same workbook on shared basis. Then it is the same worksheet, that is the one person's working of the same work in this same worksheet. Then it is the share workbook in others. The next one, D1, fourth one, protect and share workbook. Then it is once one. Then we can protect a workbook with password and at the same time share it. Then you can use to the sending of the in one worksheet or presenting of the worksheet. Then send to one person to other persons and to the protect also. Then one example. Then I will send the data of the students result sheet to other persons, and it can be in locked it or protect it. It is the password, and you can give to other persons. Then you can sending the persons. Then it is the send to also protect numbers. That is one protect and share workbook. Then you can other person means, then you can I will send to a person. Then you can other person means that B person not send to protection or password numbers. The next one, E1, allow users of edit changes. By using this command, you can allow a specific user to edit ranges of cells in a protected workbook or worksheet. Once again, by using this command, you can allow a specific user. Then it is the you can use to the in persons. It is the send to the specific or edit to the users, specific user to edit the range of cells in protect workbook or worksheet. Then you can one. The next one, last one, track changes. You can track the changes happened in our workbook like typing, editing, deletion, formatting and operations. All the adjustments, all the track of the changes in track changes in workbook. It is options in change group. The next one, then next classes we can discuss about the next one. Thank you.